Okay, this ice maker, we froze it up. Let's now pull the ice out. Let's see if it's gonna come out a clear ice. I actually had it for a while there now. Not bad for the most part. It does have a little imperfection. Obviously I won't be using my hands, but check this out. It is super clear ice. All we have to do is just put in a glass, and whenever we are going to put some kind of liquid in there, it's actually gonna clear out all the way, and all the imperfection will wash away. And look at that. I'd say this is really good. It is super clear. If you look at it, at the ice, almost all the way. There is a little bit of bubbles on the top. That's pretty much it. I'd say it's very good gadget. Check this out. Let me know in comments below if you see any better gadgets that I can put to the test, but this is nice. This right here, 8-foot tower light. This is pretty cool. I like this brand. I have put to the test a lot of their gadgets. So it comes with a charger. There's actual light. There's probably a little protector. We gotta take it away. Oh, you know what? It's disconnected, the battery. So hopefully that connected the batteries. There you go. Trying to figure out what holds this together. Whoa. Whoa, this is a remote control. I guess it makes sense. We have to have a remote control. So, light. That's nice. Light. Press it again, flashing. Then mood. Press it again, flashing. And right here is a flashlight too. That is cool. Whoa, that's bright. We go put to the test in the dark. So you can put the spikes into the ground and don't have to worry about this thing falling. That is cool. One of a kind tripods over here. And also this swivels, and you can tighten it up so it doesn't swivels. And I guess you just unspin it and lift it. Okay, it's unspinnable, so you can use the tripod for the camera and whatnot, different stuff. And this comes out all the way, just by pushing it. Tightens up, you see it? Super cool. And whenever your flashlight's plugged in over here, the remote control you can plug in on the bottom. Look at that, the remote control is glow in the dark, so that way you can find it in the dark easier. That's smart. This side here at about 7 feet, so let's turn it on. Look how bright that tower light is. Turn it off with the remote control. Oh, it's too dark, too far. You see? Glow in the dark, so that way we can see it. Look how bright that is in the complete darkness. You have 360 view on the basement. And shut it off again. Boom. Look at that darkness. Camera readjust too, you see it? Okay, and then we have another mode right here. Whoa, that is cool. I can't believe how bright it is. And light. That is incredibly awesome, and it goes up another foot easily. You can adjust it much smaller by just setting it down. If you need it like a work light by the table or small area, put it on table, not so high, smaller but brighter. Amazing. And shut it off by just boom, glow in the dark. And also you can use it as a regular flashlight. As you can see, very bright as well. Here's the next level notebook. You open it up, looks like a regular notebook, all the pages together and stuff like that. But if you need to pull a page out or two, no problem. And check this out, they stick together. It has this magnetic strip. Once you run out of paper, you can buy refills or just buy a new notebook. So you can just, I guess, take the whole thing out. Boom. And as you can see, this side here, magnetic strip. Looks like a little pocket inside here, little notes. And whenever you want to put this stuff back together, you see it's kind of magnetized together a little bit. Not too much. It's better whenever you put it on a magnet. You see that pull? So yeah, that's definitely a next level notebook. Acts like notebook, a regular one. If you need a page out, pull it out or two. Put one back in, no problem. Just open it, stick it back in. So yeah, magnetic notebook, super unique, one of a kind. Here's power film. This is the thinnest solar panel you can get. Check this out. And it comes with this little charger. Looks like we gotta put the batteries in here. How do we open that? Boom. It comes with the batteries with their brand. So I guess they're chargeable batteries. You know what? This is foldable one, and look how thin that is. That's crazy. Wow, paper thin. And I showed you the all-in-one. This one is a little bit cheaper, $75, and it's folding. Sun kind of on and off, and you know what? It is charging. If you look at it, ooh, the car is hot. It is charging, so that's good. And if we plug it in into this charger, as you can see, it's charging. So that's good. You can plug it in and it can charge at the same time through this power bank and the cell phone. That's good. Obviously probably cover it up into the shade because cell phone will overheat. Kinda like that a lot. Look how skinny that is. Fold it up and it rolls away, and then you have a power bank. Look at that, with one hand. Boom. That's so small, and it's still charged because those batteries have been pre-charged, so whenever you roll it away, you're still charging your phone. Look how small that is. I like this solar panel. There is more expensive ones. That's the cheapest power film I think make. That's pretty awesome though. Here's another very unique 500 lumen pocket light. I really like that brand, but check this out. You can set it down, it's flexible. You can put it onto your, maybe like some kind of backpack, onto your pocket, and kind of light it while you're walking. Clip it anywhere. So you just press it like that, and as you can see, it's a very, very bright flashlight. You can set it this way, or you can set it this way, whatever more comfortable that is. You see it kind of falls this way, so probably set it this way if it's pointing it down. So let's say you need to change the tire. Boom, you can set it up, kind of twist it a little bit more. Boom. Looking pretty good, doesn't it? And this is what 500 lumens looks like. Very bright. Obviously camera readjusted a little bit to make it a little bit darker if it's overexposes. But yeah, it's super bright. And I like it how it's almost like a spotlight, so we can see very wide. And there's a different layer settings. Ooh, a bit farther. Kind of like for walking. Oh wow, that is a kind of like a spotlight actually, all the way. That's crazy.